Welcome everybody to Crypto Cure. My name's Darian. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to dive into rebased tokens and extremely high crypto APY. If it's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. Keep watching. As always, do your own research. This is just my research spread out on the internet. I hope you guys get value out of it. Continue to learn about crypto and grow in the crypto world. Okay, first project that started it all is called Olympus DAO Finance. This is their website. You can go on there and check it out if you'd like. Just olympusdao.finance. They currently show a 906% APY. And like I said, they're the one that started it all. It shows how much they have in the treasury balance and how much has been locked up. Let's take a look at the price of this token. When it first came out, it started at around $300 and was very choppy, but went all the way up to $1,400, came crashing back down, up and down. Anyways, currently it's down pretty low. It's at $67. 900% APY is really high, but if the price of the token does not hold up, then you're not going to get your investment back because you get paid out in that token. So each Ohm token is $67. If you're getting paid out 900% in that token and the price of the token is going down, then you're losing value each day. Likewise, if you would have purchased at a down point when it was, say, $160 or whatever, and it went all the way up to $500, and you're earning the APY in the native token, then you're making quite a bit of money. First one I started on was Time Wonderland. When I first was buying it, it was around $8,000, and it would go down $7,000 up to $9,000. But when it was up, I was making a lot of money. I was making like $500 a week on a $5,000 investment. So I was making about 10% each week just holding that token, and that is some phenomenal gains. However, if you're looking at the price of Time Wonderland, it is $392. So it's down from where I was purchasing it at of $8,000 or so. There are a lot of these. They're called Ohm forks because the Olympus Ohm token was the first one that started this type of, they're called rebased tokens or Olympus DAO forks. You can go on CoinGecko and look at Ohm forks in their categories section, and you can see all the projects that currently do that. The Time Wonderland has a pretty big community behind it, and they've built a lot of other tokens that help sustain the value of Time Wonderland. However, the price of Time Wonderland has gone down significantly. This is what my chart looks like of when I started buying it. So it's gone down quite a bit.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Currently, it's going to take probably 1 year and 8 months to regain my value, but let's go into the website a little bit here. So this is their first section of the website. They actually have an 81,000% APY, which is crazy good, assuming that the price of the token stays the same. So if the price of the token ever goes back up to current levels, and I've been staking it the whole time, then I will have quite a bit of money. But that's pretty rare because the way they pay out such high APY is by generating more tokens to give to their stakers. Another way is generally you can mint here. Olympus DAO has a bond mechanism. Wonderland has a mint mechanism. They're both the same. What happens is you put other tokens that have a value into the treasury, and then they give you time token in return. So their treasury has $793 million in it from other tokens that have been put in there for the time that's been created, the time token that's been created. Currently, you can't mint any more time token because they want to stabilize the value of time and allow the ecosystem to continue to move forward. Also, what Time Wonderland does is they take that treasury balance and they actually invest it into real world assets to help maintain the treasury. Long-term value, it might be there. Short-term currently, because Bitcoin went down and rebased tokens have not recovered. Bitcoin has recovered, but rebased tokens have not yet recovered. It's not a good value right now. In the future, it could be. If the price ever goes back to any other high point, then holding this token would be good. It might be good to buy at a low point. it might not. The price could continue to drop down lower and lower and lower. It's currently maintained its level at this point, the $300 mark, $400 mark, but there's no guarantee that it's going to continue to raise up. So when I first started staking it in November, like I said, I was earning high interest on it, and it was awesome. Currently, it's low, and the future sustainability of it is unknown, but I wanted to put rebase tokens on your guys' mind frame and what's possible with cryptocurrency. You can make these high APYs assuming that the price stays the same. Generally, it has not with any of the rebase tokens, but with Ohm, it one time had a huge run up and then a huge drop. So even if you were to buy it at this first run up and that huge drop happened, and you held it, staking it for that high APY, you could have eventually sold it for your money back and then some. But there's no guarantee that, say, Time Wonderland or any of these other Ohm forks are going to have that same increase in value. With Wonderland, it does have the treasury funds being spent on real world assets to help maintain the treasury. So in my opinion, it has a little bit more opportunity there. But with crypto, there's no guarantee. There's just ideas and possibilities. So currently, with the price of Wonderland, the only people or person that are winning is going to be the treasury. The treasury for Time Wonderland is, they've got a lot of money, but currently the holders and stakers do not. However, I still have my value in tokens. So right now I actually have 2.9, and I started out with 0.4. So my value in Memo token has increased, but the actual value of the token is going down. So sorry, once you stake the Time token, it turns into Memo token. And so Memo is Time token staked. Started out with 0.4, now I've got 2.9. I've got plenty of tokens, and if the price goes back up to a higher point, then I am sitting pretty on a good amount of Memo/Time token. Like I said, it's down. Do your own research on all this. I just, like I said, wanted to put this on your radar. These are called rebase tokens. They have good possibilities for the future, but I think they still need to work out some of the kinks and maybe even not offer such high APY because it's not sustainable to pay out that high of APY over time without having a decrease in the price of the token. Hope that's helpful. Have an awesome day.